Hey lovelies, warm welcome to all of you. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to share a message which I recorded a year ago and somehow I didn't share with you guys because I don't know why. So I was searching something on my laptop and I come across with this video. So I thought it's a nice to make a small message video so that I can share with you all. And okay, first have a look on that clip and then I will meet you again, okay? I'm doing this video to tell you that I'm going to donate my hairs to the kids of CWHL, which is an organization who gives free wigs to the kids till their 21st birthday. So I want to donate to them. And I have quite long hairs till like here, and it will be chopped off till I guess here because I thought to give around 8 centimeters to them because this is the minimum requirement they want, so I can't donate less than 8. And you also get certificate of appreciation. So let's see. So I hope you managed with the clip because it was not that clear and it was recorded a year ago. This was the message which I was willing to share since long, but I couldn't do that. But now, yes, this is a nice time which I'm doing it. Yes, it was an inspiration and I got inspiration from one of my cousin. Her name is Jhalak Verma. Thank you, Jhalak, for your inspiration. And any one of you get inspired by seeing this video. So please tag me if you are posting on social media. If you are not, it's completely okay. I'm not saying that you have to post, but if you are posting on social media, just tag me, the food cravers. Then I come to know that someone is doing that. It will make me happy. It will make you happy. And it's also a message that you can spread in your community and in your friends, in your family. So it's completely okay that if you are posting on social media, because I was also thinking like posting on social media is like a type of showing off or something like that, but it's not. It's a message which we give to one another, and it's an inspiration which we get from one another. So it's completely fine if you're doing that. I was thinking like that, so I'm telling you like that. And yeah, one more thing, this video is not an sponsored video. It was my wish. I was doing because I want to do that. And I'm also not saying that you have to choose the same organization, because I paid my postage charges, I paid my courier charges to send my hairs to them. And it was like around 8 euros or something like that. I didn't remember. But I must say, if you are doing that, search in your locality, search locally, search in your malls. There are so many malls who are doing, there are so many salons who are doing this, and they are organizing everything. They cut your hairs, they wash it, and they send to the organizations. So just have a look, just search locally, and then you will come to know. And trust me, it's not very hard. You will get it very easily. If they are not doing, they will tell you that which saloons are doing that. So guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have watched till here, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family. Yes, I also want to thank all of you who have subscribed my channel recently. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your support. Keep watching, keep sharing, and keep subscribing. Share with your friends and family so that they can also subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.